Hello and welcome back to another tutorial this week, the Queen of Pentacles in Tarot. The Queen of Pentacles is a card nurturing practicality and abundance. She represents the master of the element of earth, symbolizing security, resourcefulness, and the ability to provide for oneself and others. The Queen of Pentacles encourages you to cultivate stability and care for those around you and embrace the beauty of the material world. Let's explore its symbolism, Rider-Waite imagery, astrological associations, and some interpretations. The Queen of Pentacles embodies a blend of material success and emotional warmth. She is a nurturer, provider, and caretaker who uses her resources wisely to create a harmonious and abundant life. This card often signifies nurturing and care, which is a focus on providing support and security for yourself and others. Practicality and resourcefulness, managing resources efficiently and making thoughtful decisions. Abundance and prosperity, which is about enjoying the rewards of hard work and sharing them with others. A connection to nature, a reminder to appreciate the beauty of the natural world and stay grounded. And of course, balance. Successfully balancing material and emotional well-being. The Queen of Pentacles teaches us that true abundance comes from blending practical efforts with love and care. Some Rider-Waite imagery. The depiction of the Queen of Pentacles is serene and grounded. The Queen is seated on her throne. Her posture is reflecting stability and comfort, symbolizing her mastery of the material world. The pentacle in her lap represents material wealth, security, and resources. Her focused gaze shows her careful attention to managing these aspects of life. The lush landscape, while the surrounding garden is filled with flowers and greenery, symbolizing abundance, fertility, and the rewards of her nurturing care, while the rabbit at her feet represents fertility, creativity, and the Queen's connection to the natural world. It also reminds us of the importance of balancing abundance with responsibility. The throne's carvings adorned with fruit and goats. The throne symbolizes fertility, and it's Virgo's connection here to hard work and the material rewards of effort. The imagery highlights the Queen's nurturing nature, her grounded approach to life, and her ability to create abundance through care and practicality. Some astrological associations are Virgo and Mercury. So the Queen of Pentacles is associated with Virgo, a mutable earth sign, and its ruling planet, Mercury. This connection emphasizes the Queen's practicality, resourcefulness, and nurturing care, blended with that sharp mental accuracy and attention to detail. Some Virgo traits. Virgo is known for its precision, organization, and dedication to service. It values creating order and offering care in practical, meaningful ways. The Queen of Pentacles reflects Virgo's ability to balance nurturing energy with practicality, ensuring that emotional and material needs are met with efficiency and care. And so this card symbolizes a grounded, meticulous approach to life, focusing on building stability and helping others flourish. With Mercury as a ruler, well, Mercury governs intellect, communication, and adaptability. And it aligns with the Queen's skill in managing resources, solving problems, and creating that harmony in the physical world. Mercury's influence also highlights the Queen's ability to think critically. The Queen of Pentacles embodies nurturing care, practicality, a sharp mind through the astrological lens. She encourages balancing the emotional and the material well-being while using intelligence and dedication, creating a secure and harmonious foundation. Some key interpretations and positive aspects are practicality and stability, a focus on managing resources wisely and creating security, nurturing and care, supporting loved ones with warmth and generosity. Material success, achieving financial stability and enjoying the comforts of life, blending the emotional and the material well-being with connections to nature, which is found through grounding and renewal through time with nature. Some negative aspects of this card are overwork or neglect, feeling unbalanced due to focusing too much on work or the material concerns. Financial instability, struggles with managing resources or feeling insecure about finances. Neglecting one's self-care, overextending yourself and caring so much for others without tending to your own needs. Materialism, placing too much value on material possessions. Isolation, a tendency to withdraw from relationships or become overly self-reliant. Who is the Queen of Pentacles in a reading? Bear with me for a moment because I want to share something with you right now. So you're deep into this tutorial and maybe you're thinking this is great, but how do I actually make this work in a real reading? What do I do when I get stuck? Well, trust me, you're not alone. That's exactly where so many tarot readers hit a brick wall. That's why I've created tarot courses at tarotwithannemarie.com. The courses go way beyond the tutorials I'm sharing with you on YouTube. On my tutorials are packed with valuable insights that only skim the surface of what you really need to master tarot readings. And for example, when it comes to the court cards, the ones that trip up most readers, my intermediate and advanced courses will dive deep. I'm going to teach you exactly how to interpret them and connect them within your spread and use them with confidence. Plus, I'll show you how to take all the cards and turn them into a meaningful, accurate spread tailored for your current. That's not something I can fully cover here on YouTube. It takes practice, structure, and the right guidance, which you'll find on the courses. So if you're ready to take it into the next step and move from feeling stuck to going to being confident, check out the courses, tarotwithannemarie.com. You'll get everything you need to become the reader you've always wanted to be. Who is the Queen of Pentacles in a reading? Queen of Pentacles can appear as a person in your life. Someone nurturing, reliable, and resourceful. Often, it's a provider or a caretaker, a friend, a partner, a mentor, who offers practical support and guidance. Someone who values stability, comfort, and the well-being of others. Might be an aspect of yourself, a call to embrace your practical and nurturing qualities, a reminder to balance your focus on material success with emotional care, a nudge to reconnect with nature or prioritize that self-care. It might be a situation, and that's time to focus on creating stability and abundance, an opportunity to support others with your resources or skills, a moment to balance work, home, and personal needs. So the Queen's connection to the earth element is evident in this lush garden and the rabbit at her feet and her grounded demeanor. The earth element governs material concerns, practicality, and a connection to the physical world. Queen reminds us to balance ambition with care, managing resources wisely, and staying connected to what sustains us. When interpreting the Queen of Pentacles, focus on practicality and nurturing. Ask questions. Are you managing your resources wisely? Consider its element, which is earth, and are you connected to nature? The context in the spread. Well, the Queen's position will clarify whether she represents a person, an energy, or a specific situation in your life. And the Queen of Pentacles represents mastery of material and nurturing energy within the court cards, while the Page explores these qualities. The Knight typically pursues them, and the King governs them with authority. The Queen signifies archetypes or energies, while the minor arcana cards focus on specific events or stages in the material or practical realm. The Queen of Pentacles, in comparison to the major arcana, focuses on her personal mastery of stability, care, and material success, while the major arcana reflects more prominent life themes or spiritual lessons. The Queen of Pentacles symbolizes practicality, nurturing care, and material abundance. Her association with Virgo and Mercury emphasize her resourceful, detail-orientated, and balanced nature. The imagery in the Rider-Waite cards captures her connection to the natural world, stability, and prosperity. It reminds us to harmonize practicality with generosity and care. Now, whether this represents a person, a mindset, or a situation, the Queen of Pentacles encourages you to nurture yourself and others, manage your resources wisely, enjoy the fruits of your hard work. She also highlights the importance of balancing material and emotional well-being. A quick pause here because I have something exciting to share. Over at tarotwithanne-marie.com, I've got a whole treasure chest of tools to help me grow as a tarot reader, and they are not just courses. These are ebooks packed with insights, fun quizzes to test your knowledge, and even a free natal chart calculator that will help you blend your astrology in your readings. If you're enjoying this tutorial, you'll love diving into the resources. They're perfect for expanding your skills and having a little fun along the way. All right, let's jump back into this tutorial. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, your growth as a tarot reader is a journey, and every step counts. So if you're ready to dive deeper and truly transform your readings, check out my course at tarotwithanne-marie.com. Until next time, happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.